Hi, Tug Toler, eSource Miller, a Paradigm company, and I'm here in NAFEM in Atlanta, 2025, and I'm in the fantastic Hamilton Beach booth. Look at that. Look at that, right on. And I'm here with the lovely Karen. Karen, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Karen Williams-Roman. I'm the Senior Product Manager for the Food Prep Products here at Hamilton Beach Commercial.
And if we have anybody that really has a sharp eye, you might know that we've done a video before, 2 years ago.
We're back again by popular demand.
This is like Bad Boys 2, is what this is.
That's right.
Yeah.
Bad girls.
Well, bad people, something like that.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're standing in front of the big rig. The big rig is kind of your baby, I hear, right?
It is, yeah.
It is your baby.
It is
so
my
let's go ahead and hit the big rig real quick, and we'll talk about the new item with the big rig, okay?
Okay, awesome. So this is the big rig, and this is the big one. Very, very powerful. It has capacitive touch. It is got a detachable shaft to it, which is really nice because you can interchange different sizes with the same motor housing.
And we're getting it out of the dish pit so that it doesn't go back to the sink and get water all over it.
Correct, exactly. And easy to wipe down. One of the things we get a lot of questions about is they want to have a place to secure the cord, and of course we have a cord wrap here for those who want to use that. Really, it's been very successful, and of course it's used for large batches of salad dressings, barbecue sauces.
I make tomato basil soup with it.
Yummy.
It's delicious.
Yummy. I love that.
Matter of fact, it's smoked tomato basil soup.
Love it. I love that. So it's these are so versatile in a commercial kitchen.
Absolutely.
And I don't think I've ever been in a commercial kitchen that doesn't have an immersion blender, because they serve a real valuable purpose in the kitchen.
So we have this. It's great. It's got a fantastic warranty.
Yes.
And
it has a 2-year warranty, and it is the best warranty in the industry.
Take that, other competitors. We stand behind our products. What's up?
That's right, yeah.
So we have this. It's fantastic. It's great.
Yep.
It's kind of big, right? If I'm just doing like a little 6-quart pot of some sauce or something like that, I'm trying to get it. It's just a little too big.
Right.
Do we have anything smaller?
Well, I'm glad you asked, because we have the new compact Big Rig Immersion Blender.
Compact Big Rig Immersion Blender. That's a bit of a mouthful. I love it.
But it's fondly known as the Little Big Rig. And we just introduced it. It's real simple to use. It has a variable speed dial, which everyone wants to have a variable speed dial. Chefs really like to be able to be in control of what they're making. And we also have a detachable shaft.
So this doesn't have to go to the dish pit either, right? We can just take that off. That can go to the dish pit. Let's keep the thing that has a motor that does not like water out of the dish pit.
It's small enough that you can store it in a drawer in your commercial kitchen. It's 250 watts, and it's just simple. I mean, you just turn it on and go.
I just used this the other day as well.
Yeah. It's really an exciting new addition to the Big Rig line of immersion blenders.
So, if you have any questions, if you want to see one, because I've got all the different size sticks on those, right? To where it's the 12, the 16, the 12, 14.
We have 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. The big one.
That one.
21.
Yes. So, and we have a whisk attachment.
Right.
We got a lot of things.
Yeah.
So, if you have any questions, you want to see it, you want to play with it, please reach out to us. We love hearing from you. Karen, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.